Hello everyone, welcome again. If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So, let's start. Today, we are going to see how to upload long video on Facebook Stories. If you're trying to upload a really long video to your Facebook Stories, you might be wondering, is it possible to upload a video that's longer than 1 minute? Alright, here's what you need to do. First, open the Facebook app. Then, you have to click on the box that says Create a Story. Once you are inside that option, you need to select the video you want to upload. In this case, I'm going to try uploading a video that's 1 minute and 8 seconds long. Fortunately, Facebook allows you to upload videos up to 2 minutes in length. After the upload process is completed, you will be able to see your story with the video. If you need to upload a story with a video longer than 2 minutes, what I recommend is editing the video meaning. For example, you can split it up into smaller videos, each no longer than 2 minutes. After you have all the segments, you can upload them to Facebook one by one. That's all. Now you're ready to use it again. I hope this tutorial video helped you to solve this issue. See you next time.